In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to convert a horizontal video into a vertical video automatically. This is especially useful when you want to repurpose your footage for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. First, make sure your sequence is set to a vertical format. Go to Sequence Settings, change the frame size to 1080 by 1920 so the video becomes vertical. Once the sequence is vertical, click OK. Now select your clip on the timeline. Go to the effects panel and search for Auto Reframe. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see the motion tracking option. Set this to default, which works well for most videos. Now click the Analyze button. Premiere Pro will analyze the motion in your clip and automatically track the subject. Once the analysis is complete, Premiere will reposition the frame so the main subject stays centered in the vertical frame. If needed, you can manually adjust the adjust position values to slightly reposition the framing. You can also tweak reframe scale if you want to zoom in or out slightly. There is also an option for reframe rotation if you want to rotate the framing slightly. Play the video and you'll see the frame automatically follows the subject while maintaining a vertical composition, and that's it. You've successfully converted a horizontal video into vertical format automatically using Auto Reframe in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.